If you're looking for an Amazon Prime 6-month trial code, the good news is there's not a trial code, but there is a landing page where you can get this 6-month free trial. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, this is the 6-month trial for Amazon Prime for young adults, which means you have to either be a student or 18 to 24 years old, and you qualify for Amazon Prime for young adults. Used to be Amazon Prime student, and you can just click try Prime for young adults down here and verify that you fall within one of those qualifications. You get all the same Amazon Prime benefits, and then it's only 50% off after you're done with that 6-month free trial. And if you don't qualify for this, or if you already used that free trial, then the not 18 to 24-year-old link right here will give you a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. There's also Amazon Prime Access. If you scroll down, if you click this qualified government assistance, which is 50% off. None of these require coupon codes, but they do need you to be on this landing page so that you can actually sign up for Amazon Prime for young adults or one of the other 30-day trial or 30-day trial of Amazon Prime Access, and then 50% off after that. So a few different deals that you can do here. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for you to go straight to this landing page right here, and hopefully you guys can get that 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime.